We at the machine shop.
Someone else is getting their J series.
Oh, what the hell? It's another J series. Oh, this place is fat. Oh, look at all the heads this dude has.
I think this one's mine right here.
Damn. That was crazy. How you doing? Bro, I'm gonna do a drop mufflers and shit. Oh, we in the back of the shop, yo. Oh. Hold on. That's a B58? I've never seen it from this angle. Wow.
Don't go crazy on these because they're strong motors.
Yeah. Because that's what we wanted.
Yeah, I'm trying to get one.
You know, they went pricey the last few years. Everything 2J.
Yeah.
That window, it's expensive now.
Everything got the 358 and they're like, everyone get them.
This is a place we're at.
We love doing these.
Yeah.
Been doing them for years.
So he said this was an M3 one, and then a 2JZ. That shit's crazy. Got the heads. They looking nice. Now we just gotta put them in the TL. We had the car. We had the LKQ. This one. It's U-Pull. With the homie. Bro, they got tires on tires. We're by the one by the Hard Rock. Damn, it's raining too. Damn, I gotta tie my shoes. Damn. Really, we're looking for a bumper.
Yo, I gotta see
Yo, let me
how
see
much some tires are.
Let me see the. Trying to go see if this bumper's here. Currently. For the 6-speed. Low key, it doesn't look like the color of the 6-speed now.
No, I think it is. It's just probably dirty as fuck.
I mean, the bumper looks in good condition. I haven't been to this one in a fat minute. Yo, this was dirt before.
No, it gets the dirt over there.
Oh, I was about to say. I thought this was dirt before. Bro, they got cars on deck. Now let's hope that if they have the TL shit. Because motherfuckers do like to come around
they
and...
put all the imports all the way in the
Bro, on God, why the Honda's all the way back there, bro?
Like, yeah, we gotta, you know.
You know, they got
American shit over here.
American. Got fucking trucks and shit. See, like, this would be fire to grab, like, that little top piece up there. Or, like, these little top pieces if I had a truck. Low key, this is the place I'm going to when I get a truck. Just get me one of them. I kind of wish it wasn't raining. But, you know. This car, and we just... Oh shit, I'm going on the other side.
Oh damn, they took the whole fucking thing.
Bro, look!
They took the whole shit off.
They took the whole thing off and then they took, oh shit. No, hold on, let me get across. We found this car and we thought it had some goodies in. I always look for cars like this that have stickers like that on the side. Sometimes they got some goodies in them. Anyways, we're on the hunt for the TL. Is that a Maserati? Damn, look at the fire on this car. That's crazy. Yo, look at the Maserati. You seeing the TL?
Way over there.
What the fuck? How do we get across from here? Somebody was trying to get an exhaust for this car. Damn, I just seen an E46. Look at the E46 right there. Got minivans and shit. Oh damn, a Mini Cooper. Oh, lucky the bumper's here. Right now we're just taking off the fog lights because I don't need the fog lights. I have 4 fog lights at the house, and then I have these. So right now I'm taking off the fog lights. So we don't need the fog lights. We have the fog lights at the house. And then we'll just throw the fog lights in the car for somebody that I guess needs these. Now that I thought of it, I don't even think the 6 speed has fog light connectors. This dude had a short ram. I think it was a female that owned the car. There's a lot of female stuff in the car. Yo! What the fuck? Ain't no fucking way. Yo! Look under there. Just look. Just look.
Straight all the way through?
Yo, he's got True Heart. He has all suspension parts.
Need some brake pads? This is like damn near brand new.
Bro.
Oh, geez.
Bro. Guy has all True Heart suspensions on this car.
Might have to come back and get him.
Huh?
These brakes.
Back on the grind. And I don't know, I just wanted to show you guys these 2 cool cars that I've seen, or that I'm seeing while door dashing. Yo, this is like an AMG wagon. Bro, this thing's clean. Bro, this shit looks clean. I can't even lie. And I saw this monstrous thing. Yo. I know a boy making power when I see one. And those are slicks. Oh my god. Holy shit. This thing is probably rowdy. Oh. I want to see like a little sneak peek or something. Like it's got the T-tops too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she's a monster. Oh my god. I think that's where this 222 is. Oh shit. She's a mean one. Walking back to my car right now. This is the bumper on my car. So we were able to put it on the TL, and then we put it on. I still gotta get the side skirt for that side, but as long as we got the front bumper, I don't have to worry about the black bumper flying off. We're chilling. But so far, so good. It doesn't look bad. You can't really see it in the lighting, but over here you can. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's just a side skirt. Just don't mind the side skirt, y'all. Alright, you guys basically made it to the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. It was basically kind of a crazy one. Went to the junkyard, went to pick up the homies' heads to, you know, do that, and then I just been doing me. So got a lot of things coming up. This car, you know, if you guys want to see the what's it called, durability challenge on the Acura TL 2008, let's get to 500 subscribers, and yeah, that's all I wanted to come up here and talk to you guys about. We're on that road to hit that number, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed, like I said, and yeah, peace out. Remember, God loves you.
And now, folks, it's time to say goodnight. We sincerely appreciate your patronage and hope we've succeeded in bringing you an enjoyable evening of entertainment. Please drive home carefully and come back again soon. Good night.